Hi, this is Kevin Lee. A few weeks ago, I did an interview with John Locke. During the interview, I showed everyone a spreadsheet that looks like this that contains the butterfly prices across different days and with a center strike across different strike prices. This spreadsheet caught the attention of many people, and I've received several emails asking me how to generate this spreadsheet. So the objective of this video is to show you how. What you want to do is you start with a blank Excel spreadsheet, okay, and then open up option view. You can be in back trader mode or live data. It doesn't really matter. So whatever you see on screen, you can export to Excel CSV file. And the way to do it is here, File, Export. The first time that you are doing this, what you want to do is to define the line format. The line format basically means which are the parameters that you want to export. On the right, you see all the available parameters, and you click this left button. It will go to the left box, and these are the parameters that you want to be exported. So what I've chosen here are all the key information for the option, including the MIV, the Greeks, etc. However, one important data that is missing here is market price. For some reason, option view decide not to have market price available. So later I'll show you how to calculate market price or mid price by using bid and ask prices. So once you have done that, you just need to define it once. In the future you will remember, and then you give it a name. Like for example, here I've got today is February 19th. So I want to download the data here. I change it to 19th, and this is a CSV file, and then I go export. I'm done. So once I export, I will be able to see it in here. So I've done 16th, 17th, 18th before, and then I just added 19th. So what you want to do is to open the file, and then you will see on top all the available parameters that you have downloaded, and these are the data at the bottom. So if you're doing this the first time, you want to copy the whole spreadsheet here, and then to here. Okay. Now the next thing you want to do is to select the second day. Now I don't want to copy the title. I just want the data. So I will go down to here, copy, and put it at the bottom. Boom. Okay. Let's do one more. So I will copy, go to the bottom, and boom. Now I've got 3 days worth of data, 16th, 17th, and 18th. What I want to do now is to generate a pivot table using this data. So I'm using Excel 2013. For those of you who are using a different version of Excel, you may have a different way of generating a pivot table. So first of all, I want to define the range. It automatically select for me from A1 to R. That's the right column, but I want to give it a much wider wider range. I would specify something like 10,000. The reason that I want to make it big is such that in the future, when I add additional days, I don't have to come back and change the range anymore. And then I would put it into a new worksheet. Click OK. Now, you see all the available fields are down here. You can see bid and ask, but you don't have mid price. So what I need to do here is to generate something called a calculated field. Now give it the field name, which is mid price. The formula is quite simple. It is bid in plus ask divided by 2. Add, and boom. Now I've got mid price. Now, so I don't need the bid. Now here, mid prices, automatically they already put it into values. That's where I want it. And then I would want date here at the column, and I want strike prices here. I want call put here. I want expiration date here. Okay. Let's tidy up here. I don't need the I don't need grand total. Oops, I did something wrong. Okay, I want to put back the mid price. Okay, I don't need the grand total. Okay, and the blanks, I want to get rid of these blanks. Go to here, uncheck blanks. Okay, and then these are the prices. Let's give it 2 decimal point. You see big numbers here is because it adds up all the mid prices for all the expiration dates and call and put. So you want to limit this, filter it to, let's say, put only, and select a date. This is a way that option view states that date 2016 March 18th or 2016 April 15th. Now these are the expiration dates. So let's say if you want to look at March expiration, you choose that. Now these are the mid prices of put options on 16th, 17th, and 18th of February. Now once you have this, what you can do now is to generate the formula for butterfly prices. So let's say equal. Now what you want is this 920 as the short strike or the short price, and then you go 5 rows up and 5 rows down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if I click here, I will get a weird formula that says get pivot data and all that. I don't want that, and the reason I don't want that is because I can't drag the formula later on. Now I want it to be B. What was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B14. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And then plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B24. B24 minus 2 times B19. Boom. That's your butterfly price. All you need to do is drag it up, and drag it down. And these are your butterfly prices. Now you see a huge number here, and that's because you ran out of rows on top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is invalid. Delete that. That's as high as it goes. And then the same is below. You get 0 here, so you cannot go too much. Can't go further down. So this is the range that we can have butterfly prices. So these are the 3 days of butterfly prices. It's quite easy, right? If you want to make it nicer, you can also do this equal A11. That's the strike price. Let me just give it a bit more. Now you want to give it more more columns here, because in the later on in the future you may want to add different dates, or you can put this whole table at the bottom or put it into a different spreadsheet. That's fine. The rest are all cosmetics. You can just do this. Oh no, sorry, it should be this one, and drag it across, and this is strike. See, that's it. That's the butterfly prices for all the 3 days. Now, suppose you have a new set of data. Now this is the 19th. You can do this again quite easily. Copy. Go back to here. Go back to the data sheet. And go down to the bottom of the table, and you add 19th. And once you have added this, you can come here and look for 19. No, you gotta first refresh it. refresh, and then now you see 19th. Boom. Here's 19th, and all you need to do is boom, 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 drag across. That's the butterfly price for the 19th. That's pretty simple, right? Okay, that's it. Thank you.